Good morning from Disney's California Adventure. If you are new here, my name is Haley.
And I'm Tommy.
And we're the Deficcies. We are on our honeymoon day 2. We just got early entry into DCA because we are staying at Paradise Pier.
Technically still, yeah.
And so there's like a little sneaky entrance, so we're already all the way in the back of the park,
so
and it is
sneaky.
7:32, and we are gonna go try and get Midway Mania done. So if that sounds exciting for you, stick around and make sure you subscribe. We stepped over on the back side of Avengers Campus and we are eating at the shawarma place, and we got a impossible breakfast shawarma.
It's actually a shawarma wrap.
A shawarma wrap, appropriate for this week. But this is a what? Sriracha maple syrup dip?
Yeah.
And then let's unfold this. Here, you hold that.
Okay.
And we'll see what it looks like.
In the past, we've been a little hesitant about impossible stuff, but
It's got egg, cheese, impossible sausage, and hash brown.
Yum.
Can I just drizzle this in?
Yeah. Yeah, we had a impossible meatball last night, and it was really good. So yeah, we figured we'd just keep trying them until they until they fail. Yummy. All right.
That's good. You want to check in on what you thought about that?
Yeah, it was.
The shawarma wrap?
It was really good, yeah.
Really good.
It was a perfect little breakfast treat. It's almost reminiscent of like a breakfast Ronto.
Yeah.
But just with this sort of shawarma topping instead of a Ronto wrap topping.
Yeah. And if you like spicy, that sriracha maple syrup
yeah,
is really good.
That was excellent, yeah.
So now we're on our way to Midway Mania, because we have a lightning lane that opened a little while ago. And then after that, we're just gonna see kind of probably what lightning lanes we can get, and then bop around on those. It's so crazy the amount of things you can get done here as compared to Disney World.
Yeah, it's insane.
It's crazy. I've been weirdly obsessed with wanting to do this sourdough bakery tour. So we're gonna go in, see what it's about. Great, we made it to Midway Mania. Those toys, I don't think they actually come with it.
They don't.
Everything is so well themed. Who do you think's gonna win?
This guy.
I don't know. Kicked my butt! Dang, I thought I had you at the end. I thought I had you at the end.
I hit a couple 5,000s, and that made all the difference.
Honey, you're the best in the vehicle. Go ahead, go ahead. Alright, so we are at our first churro experience in Disneyland, and we went a little rogue, and we got the chocolate dusted caramel drizzled pecan churros. I'm gonna try them. Ooh, they're warm.
Everything you've been dreaming about? Yeah,
The chocolate dusting is like a little bit thick.
Yeah.
But the churro itself, I can't wait to try like an original one. It's really good.
Yum.
Hey everyone! Looking good down there! Wow, this is a friendly neighborhood. Welcome to Avengers Campus. This is a great place for a big speech. If I had anything important to say. It's time for a little Spidey exercise. Hey, what's going on, guys? Oh, me? Well, you know, just spider stuff. Okay, time to run some tests. That's what I'm talking about. Watch this.
Woo!
Okay, it's time to see what this suit can do. I hope it can do this. Mr. Waffle!
we got the chili cone queso. So it's just like a chili in like a little cone. It looks good. It's got cheese. Mmm.
Yum. Yeah, I've been excited for these cones.
That's good. All right, so we went with 2 pin packs. This one we only got for 1 pin, so it's a real gamble.
Yeah, I don't know if it's focusing, but it's that.
It's Robin Hood and Maid Marian.
Yeah, you can see it there a little bit.
And then this one, I like all of them.
Yeah, it's like a sort of new line that they've been
They're all
putting out.
tan. I don't know why they're so
they're
tan.
all tan. They're wearing t-shirts. They're very cool. I like them a lot.
All right, I'm gonna go with these ones first because I won't be disappointed with any of them, I don't think. All right. Let's see. First one. Minnie!
Whoa, it's Minnie Mouse.
Ew, it has like hairs in it.
Oh, that's
Ew.
weird. Yeah, it's weird.
Why? It's filthy and scratched. Weird.
Very
That's
strange.
so strange. You just watched me get it out of the thing. It is so scratched up.
Yeah, it had like gunk on it.
It has like a hair on it.
Yeah, it has like some weird stuff
That's
on
very weird. All right, let's open the next one. What do you even do about that?
it.
Nothing?
I don't know.
And Mickey.
Well, that's nice at least.
Yeah, well, look how clean Mickey is and look how dirty and yucky Minnie is. She's got like scratches and like gunk over there, but at least they go together.
Yeah, at least it's like a nice
That's
little
a great
set.
one.
Yeah, that is good.
This is good omens for the next pack.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, well, now.
And now Mickey is all scratched because we dropped him.
Oh, wow. All right, let's look. Next one. We'll see.
Fingers crossed. We have what? A 12.5% chance of getting the one we want.
Okay.
Right? There's 8 of them?
Honey, I don't know. All right.
First one, drum roll please.
Bambi. They're big pins,
Yeah,
though.
it's a cute, nice big
It is
pin.
cute.
And it's nice, it'll be a good trader and stuff like
All
that,
right.
so.
Next one.
Moment of truth.
Oh, it's, what's his name from Brother Bear?
Coda? Coda?
Yeah.
Is that his name? I think it's
I think so. They're fine. They're not what we wanted, and now I feel like I want to buy the other pack and look for it.
Oh no.
Because I really like how big they are. I didn't know they were going to be so big.
They're nice pins, yeah.
And I like these a lot, even though Minnie is gross. I just don't understand how that happens.
Me
Already
neither.
scratched.
Crazy.
Weird. All right, well, these 2 are fine and these 2 are great.
At like the bar version of the test kitchen. It's called Pim's Test Lab. And they have these like beer cocktail things. They got the Honey Fusion 2.0.
She's like an IPA with a little Jack Daniels in it.
It's good.
Good?
It's like weird. I don't know if it's for everybody, but I like it. You definitely have to like IPAs though.
And then we also get, as I showed before, lots of superheroes and Iron Mans down here. And then I got, I don't know what it's, molecular something.
Meltdown?
Meltdown. And it has like a stout, so if you like a stout beer, and then like little marshmallows, and then I think there's like a whole thing of ice cream inside.
Yeah, she put like a whole scoop of something in it.
It's good.
Nice.
We were just gonna go to wander around, and who do we see but Captain America over here meeting and greeting. All right, we've been bopping and rolling. I feel like we haven't updated in a long time, and I think this vlog is kind of all over the place.
Yeah, it might be.
So we ended up leaving DCA earlier. We
Yeah.
had a walk to Walgreens, which wasn't a bad walk.
No, it wasn't too bad. Just picked up some essentials.
Yep. And then we went back to our hotel, got changed, we got some coffee, and now we're back because we have a reservation at Lamplight Lounge at 2:30.
Yeah.
So we just checked in for that. What else have we done? Oh, we went to
We had a
Pim's
drink. I think
testing
you
lab.
saw that. You probably saw that. I don't know
Yep.
if we're gonna put it after or before. Either way.
Yep, so that's what we did, and then we're just probably going to Disneyland after, but we're definitely gonna bring you to Lamplight Lounge with us and show you our drinks, and we're hoping to get a seat on the water, but they said no guarantee because we would love to watch the fun wheel go the whole time.
Yeah, but we'll say fingers crossed.
Yep, but we figured we would check in because I have no idea what this vlog looks like today. This is our view from our seat. I got the Mickey's Fun Wheel, which is not on the menu, but it is like a Long Island. And then Tommy got,
I got
show you,
Sunrise Spectacular.
Sunrise Spectacular. Both are beautiful. I haven't tried mine. How's yours?
It's good. It's like a whiskey drink with a lot of orange in it. It's very yummy.
I made you very fuzzy. Yeah.
But yeah.
Yum! I can't get over our seats. All right, our food came.
These are the lobster nachos, and they are warm. It is warm lobster with black beans, aged cheddar, Oaxaca, cheese sauce, shredded cheese blend, pico de gallo, sliced serrano chilies, and a chipotle crema.
That looks delicious. All right, our next round of drinks came. What did you get? Please pause.
Catcher in the Rye. Nectar in the Rye.
What's in it?
It's got rye, obviously. Some crusted fish. Amontillado sherry, lemon juice, and agave nectar.
I got the teaser, which is gin, hibiscus liqueur, fresh lime juice, agave nectar, topped with tonic water.
Yum.
Delicious. That's really good. Real good. Real good. All right, we got the Caesar Brussels. I think it's called the Brussels Caesars, but it's really just warm Brussels sprouts with like a Caesar salad, and then the bao, which is like crispy pork belly, and it looks really good.
Kung Pao Bao.
Kung Pao Bao.
Pao Bao.
Bao like. Can't say. Bao. Bao, 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 bao. All right, so we just left Lamplight Lounge. It was delicious. Very good. We now have to go over to Disneyland, but I needed to redeem myself. I told myself I will get one more pack, and if we get Robin Hood and Maid Marian, then that's great, and if not, we're not allowed to do this.
You heard it. If you see us buying one more pack, you need to shame us, because we...
Shame.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, first one. If it's the same two, I'll be very upset.
Is the first one the same? We got it? Oh my gosh. What a relief.
And do you know that this is the first pack I picked up, and then I put it behind and was like, oh no.
Wow, you could have saved us like $20.
$20. But the suspense was worth it, right? You guys were suspense.
Totally.
Felt suspense.
They were sitting on the edge of their seats.
Yeah, it's all for the production value.
Yeah, we're just showmen. We're show people.
But another big eye brother bear.
Whatever. So if you like
Coda.
Brother Bear, let us know.
Yeah. Actually, my stepmom's dog's name is Coda. Maybe I should give it to her.
That's cute.
I'm very happy.
Yay.
We're in line to meet Clarabelle. Disney World could never. Now we're about to get on Space Mountain, and we're very excited. I don't know that I've ever seen like anything about it. I did not know that we could sit right next to each other. So instead of Disney World's where it's one, there's two seats right next to each other. We were just cutting through the castle, and then we cut around to go to Frontierland. And over here we have, I don't know if you can see, Rapunzel and Flynn Rider are meeting over here. And then the Evil Queen was around, and there's a little stage show at the Royal Theater. Absolutely fabulous.
Ooh, I would love that roadkill you're wearing.
So we just met Mirabelle in the same place yesterday when we met Miguel.
Yeah, it's the spot.
And she was great. Quick, took a picture with us and got it moving. That's exactly what we want. Now we're in the line for Big Thunder, so we got a lightning lane for that. And so far the queue is way cooler.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Yeah, so we'll see how the ride
more like decoration
The whole thing
stuff,
is
I feel like. Yeah.
Yeah. Way better than ours. All right, our first stop in Batu West was blue and green milk.
With the swirls.
Yes, the blue milk has the Moncala
swirl.
And look at, I don't know if you can see it, if it'll pick it up. It is very sparkly and like gooey. And I think it has like a equivalent of like a boba.
Or like a jelly maybe.
And then this one I think just has tahini and some chamoy. Would be my guess.
Yum.
All right. Whoa. They're like gummies.
Yeah, there's like little jellies in there.
They're sour.
This one's very spicy, yeah. Or not spicy, but like it's tart.
All right, do you have 2 hands?
Yeah.
All right, switch. Wait until you feel the texture of that. All right, you go. The texture of the like swirl. Thick.
It's like a syrup, yeah.
Thick.
Yeah. This one's very potent.
You need a straw.
Yeah, you do need a straw.
The whole top.
Yeah, it's just tahini.
Oh my gosh, just dry tahini. It's good.
It does taste good.
But I also didn't know that that had jellies too.
This one has like harder jellies. Like,
but a straw would be a pro tip here because
let's go see if we can find
it's
one.
a lot. I'm chasing down the street. Excuse me.
How much for the traveler? We're gonna take a step back. You got it?
I just did a little bit of chasing.
Come on, look at Mom.
That's correct.
Oh, right there with Disney.
Okay, this just in.
So, you can't drink out of them with the straws because of the jelly.
You need like a boba straw.
That being said, using the straw to stir it, I like it way more. Still not as good as the blue, I think, but it's like totally drinkable.
But we also prefer the blue milk to the green milk all the time.
Generally, yeah.
So that might be why too, because we like tahini and chamoy.
This
but
is
just,
not bad.
yeah.
When
I
it was
think
on
I
the
like
top,
that
it's
better than
brutal.
the green milk.
Yeah, for sure.
But this one is better, the best. It is not last night anymore.
No, it's not. It's the next day.
Yeah, so we finished day 2 of the honeymoon. It was great. We left you because we kind of just wanted to like be on our own and do things without like feeling the need to record. But we ended up bopping around. We got some food. We got to see World of Color from ground level.
Which was great, yeah.
And I recorded some on my phone, so hopefully I can put that in
Like
here.
splice it in, yeah.
We'll see. If you saw it, then great. If not, we'll probably try and watch it again. But tomorrow, which is today, we are going to Disneyland for day 3. If you enjoyed this video today, make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below and tell us your favorite thing to do at Disneyland, so next time we come back we can do that. But
thanks for hanging out with us, y'all.
see ya.
Bye.